Okay, next up is a 2019 Volvo S60. Got a couple wheels on this one. You can see it's a machined face wheel. Pretty deep curb rash. We're going to go with the aggressive grinding disc on this one to get the damage out, and then we'll come back, smooth it out, and get it ready for clear coat. All right, now we're going to switch to the 320 grit sandpaper to get our grinding marks out. And I'm going to hit that with the grinder again real quick. Just need to reform this a little bit better. That should work. Right. And when you're working on these machined wheels, all the manufacturers like to do a dark inset on them now. So just try not to scratch it because it's going to add a lot to your workflow. You have to repair anywhere you scratch also. So that means taping off the face so you don't get paint on that, and refinishing anywhere you scratch. So just try not to scratch it. So if you slip like that, you can see it puts some minor scratching in. Something like that we can just scuff and clear, and that's going to fill that in. If you do it with the grinder, it's going to leave a gouge, but it's going to have to be sanded out. You're going to lose all your paint. All right. So on these machine face that have a pretty bright factory finish, we are going to come back over the 320 with the 800 grit. Then we're going to scuff everywhere we just sanded. Then on these, we need to clean out where it transitions from the new finish to the factory finish, because the sander wants to just pound the dirt into the old finish there. So we just need to clean that up so it'll blend in better. I mean, you can't make these machine wheels perfect unless you send them to a shop to get remachined. So just do what you got to do. I just take an old scuff pad that's kind of worn down, so it's a little less coarse. And I prefer the Adams Surface Prep Spray for the cleaning. All right, and it's time for clear coat. Before we spray the clear, we're going to just shoot some air on the wheel. Make sure all the cleaning spray has evaporated.